Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Opal app. First, download the Opal app from your device's app store. Once installed, open it and create your account. You can use your email or a social media login for quick setup. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard, which provides an overview of the app's core functionalities. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and available options. Now let's set up a focus session. Tap the Start Session button. You'll then select which distracting apps you want to block. Next, choose the desired duration for your session, perhaps 30 minutes or 1 hour. Once you've made your selections, simply tap Start to begin your uninterrupted work or study period. This helps you stay on track and minimize digital distractions effectively. Opal offers several customization options to fit your needs. You can adjust notification settings for individual apps, ensuring only essential alerts come through. Create personalized app groups like work apps or study apps for quick blocking during sessions. Additionally, review your usage statistics to gain insights into your digital habits and track your progress towards better focus. This helps tailor the app to your unique workflow. For even greater control, explore Opal's advanced features. You can schedule recurring focus sessions, so your device automatically enters focus mode at specific times each day. Try deep focus mode for stricter blocking, preventing you from overriding sessions. Finally, consider sharing your progress with friends or colleagues for added accountability and motivation. These tools help you build lasting habits for improved concentration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.